to all friends. Today I'm going to teach you a new haircut, so let's get it started. To start the haircut, you first need to divide the hair into sections. To begin the haircut, you set the clipper guard to 1.5 and start trimming your first line from the highest point where you wanted to cut with the clippers. In this part, you need to work with the tip of the clipper to avoid creating a visible line on the scalp. You set the clipper to guard 1, fully open the lever, and then start the next guard line slightly lower than the first one, using one finger as a reference. Then continue along a distinct line that you have in mind. In this step, we close the lever of the clipper and start working downwards, maintaining a distance of 1 finger width from the previous guideline. We open the clipper without any guard and fully open the lever. Then we use it to blend the back of the neck. In this part, we start by using scissors to trim the top section, ensuring that the hair on the side of the head is cut straight and not too short towards the center. With this technique, you can clean up any leftover fine hairs and achieve a neat finish. Friends, make sure to subscribe to my channel because it gives me energy and I can vary different hairstyles for tutorials. We fully open the lever of the clipper and clean up the hairline around the ears to ensure a better result. In the beard area, we start from the lowest clipper guard setting and gradually work our way down, adjusting the clipper guard higher to achieve a nice fade. Then, we clean up the voluminous part of the beard with scissors for a neat finish. You need to work with finesse to achieve a cleaner result. In this part, we reverse the clipper to avoid cutting the beard too short. With this motion, we remove any leftover patchy hairs in the beard. We wet the hair to make it easier and more comfortable to cut. We connect the top section of the hair with the sides and trim any visible long hairs to make it look neater and flawless. We mentally divide the top section of the hair and gradually trim it backward in several repetitions to the desired length. We repeat the same process for the side sections of the top of the head. With this motion, we check our work to ensure that no excess or uneven hair remains, as the hair on the top of the head should be in a straight line. After washing, we first partially dry the hair with a blow dryer. Then, style it using a brush or comb. And finally, apply the desired styling product to achieve the desired look.